Naman tayo laga dito nga atong bata piting laga na kayo atong i-try yung prank kung saan sa kayang reaction. Human tayo lang yung magamit na yun, kinin na lang dito. So, basin lang huwag kaya na ito. Ilad siya ni. Kaya dugo na itong kamot. Tagal ka ba ito ha? Di pa mapuha ni Be? Di pa mapuha taman?
Ibuo-buo ayo ikatag. Mana ba? Di kay mo pang. Daghan na. Gada kinot?
Lain bro. Di ba niya mapansin nga sauce?
Hindi. Pag sa kauwi ito.
Ano guys? Try.
Siyang! Siyang! Baby! My hand is yay! My hand is yay, baby! Naipit ko sa door!
What happened to Dad?
Call the doctor, please!
Yes, he locked in the door because he hurt. Yes, it's blood.
Please, baby. You call the doctor.
Yes.
You have no phone. You use the phone. You call the doctor.
Where's the phone? Hay naku, it's a ketchup. Hay naku, it's a ketchup. Hay naku, it's a ketchup.
It's a ketchup. No, it's a blood. My hand.
Ah,
My hand.
it's a magical ketchup.
No, it's a blood. Look at that.
Mommy, see another one.
It's a blood. Please, baby. Get some tambal, please.
Says a hot dog.
Not,
Says a hot dog.
not, not, not dog.
Yummy.
That's not hot dog. That's not a hot dog, baby. That's a blood. Look at that. You wanna taste the blood? You want to You want to taste the blood? It's a blood. Please, baby, call the doctor, please. Please, you call the doctor.
Hay naku.
What is this? It's a blood. Look at that. I have a blood in my hand.
Hay naku.
You call... What? Why did you close the door?
Because it's so dangerous.
Why is it dangerous?
Because the sound is not great.
What?
To the ambulance. My banana is full.
Maybe I could wash the yayay.
No, it hurt.
I could maybe I could wash it because the fly is... Oh, the fly is coming for it. For the blood. Maybe I could wash it outside.
No. It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay for me to wash it. Come on.
It's just a white water.
Yeah.
It's a prank!
Just It's just my hot dog ketchup you want down in yourself. For a
It's a
ketchup.
prank. Look at the video, mom. Okay, it's a prank on me.
It's the rainbow who stung you.
Hmm.